Today we're going to talk about this trick to almost literally guarantee yourself a clinical research interview. Coming up. Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're going to talk about this one trick to almost guarantee yourself a clinical research interview. So a lot of times people will do all these type of things to get a clinical research interview for a position. They'll apply on the company website. Maybe they'll apply through one of the job aggregators like Indeed or Monster or even Glassdoor. Maybe they'll even have their friend refer them for the job. But all of that happens and it ends up just getting your resume into a black hole. So it doesn't matter how good your resume is if it's just going to get into a black hole, right? Well, today I've got a tip for you on how to almost guarantee yourself a clinical research interview. Now, this is a strategy that I use, and it has worked every single time to at least get an interview, a face-to-face interview with the hiring manager or a phone interview with the hiring manager. Every single time the person who have used this and I've used this with have gotten an interview with the hiring manager. Now think about that. There are so many people out there who have great resumes, who have great job experience, who never get to that point because they do not utilize this tip. And today I'm going to share that with you. So the tip is to one, you already know that you increase your referral chances. You increase your chances of getting the position if you use a referral. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So you're going to have someone refer you into the system as usual. So you have to have a good resume to even have that happen. So you have to have someone on the inside of the company that you network with someone who can refer you into the position. And then you have that person find out who the hiring manager or recruiter is and have that person email the recruiter and hiring manager your resume personally. So you're doing two things there. You're having them refer you in the system or however that company does referrals. So they're going to get your resume that way, which there's already a somewhat increased chance that they're going to see it. And then you're going to take it to the next level by having that person literally email your resume to the recruiter and or hiring manager if they can find those people. And it has worked every single time to get the person an interview. Now, after you get an interview, it's up to you to take it to that next level. But also, if they're going to be hand delivering, aka emailing your resume to these people, you've got to make sure that your resume is on point. And that is exactly what they're looking for. So if you need help with that, we can help you with that. We've got a resume review service going on right now. So email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com if you want to take your resume to the next level. A lot of times, all three facets of this process have got to work in order for you to land that interview. And it really starts with the backbone of the resume. You have got to have a good resume. They're going to be looking at your resume and making sure that it coincides with what they're looking for and that you put your best foot forward and that you really accentuate the experience you have. That's what we do in the resume review program. We leverage the experience you have, accentuate it, make it even better, and really bring out the best experience that you have gotten in your career and put it into clinical research experience. So we take it up a couple notches. And you can see by some of the reviews on our clinical research resume review videos, and you can see some of the reviews in the comments, and you can see those videos to see how we do the process themselves. And I'll be releasing a video at some point with all of the feedback that we've gotten about the program from past people that have used the program. But we have seen a strong increase, and people have seen a strong increase in the happiness level of how they feel about their resume, and that's going to translate to the interview too. If you're confident about your experience, if you're confident about your resume, then you're going to be confident going into that interview. So once again, email us eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com if you are interested in getting your resume to the next level and increasing your opportunity to get that clinical research interview. All right, guys, like this video, share this with anybody that you know that would be interested in how to get into the clinical research industry. Email us or comment down below with some questions that you might have. If you have any follow-up questions, comment down below. And smash that subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube. And leave us a review, please, if you're listening on the podcast. All right, guys, take care.